eventually I'm going to take this oil pan off the car, but I don't want to right now. And what I want to do right now today is I want to be able to pull that cam out of here and look at the condition of the cam. Now, according to this timing mark up here, I've got my motor on top dead center, but I can't see the timing mark on the bottom on the crank. Now, everybody says that you got to drop your oil pan, all this other stuff. And I'd sit here and I thought about a way to do this without having to drop the oil pan and for today, because I haven't ordered my parts yet and it may be weeks, and I don't want this thing sitting here without the oil pan for weeks. Anyway, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to remove the oil pump bolts right here, right? And hopefully I can turn the oil pump enough this way to get, because your oil pickup tube's right here, to get the oil pickup tube bolt right here exposed enough to throw in this little 10mm and ratchet that thing right on up out of there. If you don't plan on removing your oil pump anyway, be very careful with your bolt so you don't drop it, which if I do, it's no big deal because I'm going to remove the pan anyway. But for today, I just didn't want to remove the pan, and I want it to be able to get to this cam as soon as possible. I may be able to say there's not quite enough room to get to that bolt right there. So what I've done is I've taken a piece of coat hanger wire. You can use mechanic wire. I've wrapped it around the pickup tube down there, and I've just got it looped over my crankshaft right here. Be careful not to damage your crankshaft, but just got looped over. I'm going to see if I can rotate this pump enough to do that. So let's give it a try.
I've got confidence in you, Daddy.
I'm glad you do. So far, it's looking good so far. Yeah. Let's see if we can get this in here. $10mm. I was thinking it might be a 10, but maybe it's not. No, it's going to be bigger than 10. Probably a 13. All right, just pause what you got there. See, let's get this out of the way. Of course, everything's going to start falling. My stool's slipping up under my feet. So I was able to do that. So now what I will do is I will remove the bolt. And be careful not to drop the bolt, hopefully. Hopefully we're going to have enough clearance to do this right here. There's a little washer right there that's giving me a little bit of trouble. It's spinning in my fingers. Let's see. I still got the pickup tube. That's good. Got the bolt. Now the bolt's out of there. Let's see if we can't get this pickup tube out of the bottom of the oil pan. So let's see if we can pull that thing out of there without dropping it down into the oil pan. Oh man, I can't see nothing. There it went. Okay. That's still got a hold of it right here.
Yeah.
Still got a hold of it right there. Oh, that crank bolt off, Carl. And that's a good deal right there.
Mm-hmm.
Let me pop this crank bolt off. So you can remove that without removing your pan. Can remove this oil pump without removing your oil pan.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm fixing to show you. It just takes Haynes manual ain't gonna show you this. FYI reviews and how-tos is gonna show you.
Yep. We show what the books don't show. Ain't
There
that
you
right,
go.
Daddy?
There you go. We'll get that. We'll be able to slide that back up in there. Now we'll be able to look at our timing gears and get everything lined up. Well, this crank bolt has some really close threads, so it takes a little bit to get them. All right, there goes the oil pump.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that, guys. That's how